I will give you a legal dictation with a speed of 140 WPM from Supreme Court of India in Criminal Appeal number 3838 of 2023. So, ready friends? I will start my dictation after 5 seconds. This appeal is directed against the order dated 24/7/2023 passed by the High Court of Judicature at Allahabad within bracket hereinafter High Court bracket close, partially allowing the application filed by the appellant under section 389(1) of the Criminal Procedure Code 1973 hereinafter CRPC for the stay on the sentence and conviction awarded by the learned additional sessions judge MP/MLA Court Gazipur within bracket hereinafter, trial court, bracket close. But judgment and order dated 4/4/2023, the High Court has, though the impugned order, suspended the appellant's sentence and granted him bail, but the stay of conviction has been declined. At this juncture, it is imperative to delve into the factual matrix to set out the context of the present proceedings. The appellant is a public representative having served as a member of the Legislative Assembly in Uttar Pradesh for 5 consecutive terms and as a member of Parliament for 2 terms until the recent disqualification following the judgment rendered by the trial court. The appellant was the incumbent member of Parliament for the Gazipur constituency since 2019. The appellant currently holds various positions including roles in the Gazipur Standing Committee on Agriculture, Animal Husbandry and Food Processing as well as the Gazipur District Development Coordination and Monitoring Committee. On 19/11/2007, PW1, who was the station house officer at the Mohammadabad Kotali police station, received information from anonymous sources during his routine patrol with regards to the operations of a gang led by Mukhtar Ansari in the area, who was reportedly involved in various illicit activities such as murder, extortion, kidnapping, and other criminal acts carried out for political gain. It was further informed that the said gang had installed fear and terror in the public, discouraging everyone from opposing their actions. Based on such information, PW1 prepared a comprehensive gang chart under the Uttar Pradesh Gangsters and Anti-Social Activities Prevention Act 1986 within bracket hereinafter UP Gangsters Act bracket close and obtained necessary approvals from the police authorities and the district magistrate of Gazipur. On the very same day, case crime number 1052/2007 was registered under section 3(1) of the UP Gangster Act at the Mohammadabad police station in the Gazipur district of Uttar Pradesh within bracket hereinafter new FIR bracket close. This registration emerged from the earlier case crime number 589/2005 within bracket hereinafter, old FIR bracket close, which was a murder case in which the appellant had been accused of conspiracy but was subsequently acquitted, as explained briefly hereunder. It is crucial to emphasize at this stage that the appellant has been found involved in multiple FIRs filed throughout the state of Uttar Pradesh. To provide a concise overview, a summary of these FIRs is presented below, elucidating their context and significance in relation to the ongoing proceedings. Case crime number 28/1998 was registered under section 171F of the Indian Penal Code 1860 within bracket hereinafter IPC bracket close and section 135(2) of the Representation of Poor People's Act 1951 within bracket hereinafter RPA bracket close on 16/2/1998 at police station Nohara district Chandauli, Uttar Pradesh for violation of the Model Code of Conduct during the election period. The appellant has not yet been summoned by the investigating officer or the concerned court in this case. Case crime number 260/2001 was registered on 9/8/2001 at the police station Mohammadabad, Uttar Pradesh under sections 147, 148 and 353 of the IPC and section 3 of the Prevention of Public Properties from Damages Act 1984 along with section 7 of the Criminal Law Amendment Act 1932. The appellant has since been granted bail in this case. Case crime number 493/2005 was registered under section 302, 506, 120B of the IPC on 27/6/2005 at police station Mohammadabad, Uttar Pradesh, in which the appellant was named as a conspirator. However, since the appellant was found to have played no particular role in the subject crime, his name was dropped during the early stages of the investigation and no charge sheet was filed against him. Case crime number 589/2005 was registered under sections 147, 148, 149, 307, 302, 404 and 120B of the IPC at police station Bhanbhar Kol, District Gazipur on 29/11/2005. The appellant was accused of hatching conspiracy in the said murder case. This investigation of this case was entrusted to the Central Bureau of Investigation within bracket hereinafter CBI bracket close, and the trial was subsequently transferred to the CBI court to Rouse Avenue, New Delhi, wherein the appellant was acquitted. The CBI has filed an appeal challenging the acquittal of the appellant, but till date no adverse order has been suffered by him. Further, this is the only case mentioned in the gang chart that was prepared and relied upon in the instant case. Crime case number 1051/2007 was registered under section 302, 120B, 436, 427 of the IPC and section 3, 4 and 5 of the Explosives Act 1884 and section 7 of Criminal Law Amendment Act 1932. In this case, the name of the appellant was dropped after it was deducted that he had no role to play in the reported crime. The appellant was neither charge sheeted nor summoned by the concerned trial court in this particular instance. Case crime number 607/2009 under section 171 and 188 of the IPC was registered on 11/4/2009 at police station Mohammadabad, Uttar Pradesh, alleging violation of Model Code of Conduct during election period. The appellant has admittedly not been summoned in this case. Stop.